Title: The Adventure Begins with You. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing at the edge of a mountain. The wind is strong, the path ahead is unknown. You feel fear, but you also feel excitement. That's life. Life is not meant to be safe and small. It is meant to be lived, to be explored, to be challenged. Every dream you have is an adventure waiting for you to say yes. But here's the truth. Adventures are not always easy. There will be storms. There will be moments when you want to turn back. People may doubt you. You may even doubt yourself. But growth only happens outside your comfort zone. The strongest people are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who fall and choose to rise again. Every step you take into the unknown builds courage. Every failure teaches you something powerful. Every obstacle is shaping you into someone stronger than you were yesterday. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment doesn't exist. Start where you are, with what you have, right now. Maybe your mountain is starting a new career. Maybe it's healing from pain. Maybe it's chasing a dream that feels impossible. Whatever it is, climb it. Because one day you will look back and realize the scary path was the one that changed your life. Adventure is not about traveling the world. It's about becoming the person you were meant to be. So take the step. Face the fear. Trust the journey. Your story is not over. In fact, this is where it begins.